In primetime news this evening, raid extension. Government moves for 5 more years of NHT cash drawdown to soften economic impact of pandemic. HIV worries. Health Ministry concerned about HIV numbers on World AIDS Day. And COVID ready. Gordon House retrofitted in line with social distancing protocols.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your thoughts on the government's proposal to use $57 billion from the NHT to cushion the economic impact of the COVID pandemic?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.